This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Bought Some Shit, Let's Unbox It happy hour edition. I had a very long day. And when I'm recording this, I finished up my last day of work and now I'm officially on vacation. And I say officially on vacation because I have to go to doctor's appointments. It's not really a vacation, but my mom's coming and I'm excited because we get to do all kinds of fun mommy-daughter shit and I'm so excited. So without further ado, I bought a bunch of stuff at Smoko because I was like, I don't have any of these things and we got to change that. So in today's video, I bought 3 boxes of each of the following series. The Smoko Friends Sleeping. I got the little tiny ones, Tato Treats, the mini blind box, Tato Beach, and of course, Tato Cat. So I'm gonna drink this, not Spawn, High Noon Vodka iced tea with peach. Delicious low calorie beverage. I wanna get a little drunk and let's open up some blind boxes, all right? So, yay. Yay, I'm so excited. All right, I feel like I'm officially on vacation and it feels so good. So maybe we should start off with Tato Beach. Let's do Tato Beach because you know what? I'm on vacation, bitch. Let's start off with the bang. And there's so many. Oh, I don't want a duplicate, please, for the love of everything. If I get duplicates, that means the vacation's probably not gonna be amazing. But if I don't get any duplicates, then this vacation is gonna be amazing. Yeah. I'm gonna pop over here. All the little Tato Beach guys. These two feel the same. No, I want a good vacation. I love all of them. I think the one that speaks to my soul, probably Snack Time Tato. 1, he's wearing sunglasses. I wear sunglasses. 2, he's snacking. I snack. I feel like we're one and the same. Tanning Tato is really funny, but I'm okay if I don't get Channing Tato. First of all, it sounds like I'm saying Channing Tatum. If I'm not getting Channing Tatum Tato, because I am not a tanning boy. Look at me. I am uncooked chicken. I go out to that sun, I'm dead. Okay? I'm not rotisserie. I'm not a Ron Popeil, set it and forget it. Okay, no, I'm dead. All right? So I don't identify with tanning Tato. Lounging Tato? Yes. Relaxing Tato? Yes. Honestly, I want the laziest Tatos because that speaks to me. But surfing Tato could be fun. Never gonna happen, bitch. Scuba dive Tato, I kind of want that one because I love the little crab. I love the little crab. Okay, so let's open the first box. I feel like this is a light one. Because it's a light one, I think it's going to be relaxing Tato. Oh my God. Ah! Let's see if I'm right. Bitch, it's not, but it's the one that I wanted. Okay. It's gonna be a good vacation because bitch, we got Snack Time Tato. Look at him. That is me, okay? Picture me on a beach. That's what I look like. Except take that watermelon out and put a bag of chips, okay? Low sodium chips. All right, watching our figure around here. This is, I love this so much. The sunglasses kill me. Oh, you're so good, bud. You're so good. Also, that was light. Didn't expect that. So that's interesting. All right. I don't know what that means, but all right. Okay. Okay, this one's a little bit heavier. So I want it to either be, I feel like it's either gonna be lounging Tato or scuba dive Tato. Let's say scuba dive. Scuba dive Tato. Bitch, I'm psychic and it's gonna be the best vacation ever. Cheers. While I am not adventurous by any means, I would go scuba diving if crabs look like that, okay? If crabs looked at me like that, okay, not with their pincers trying to grab me, but just sweet and adorable, I'd go scuba diving all the time, okay? So, look how cute that is. Okay. Ooh, I don't know what this is gonna be. Oh, all right, listen. I want it to be either relaxing Tato or lounging Tato. But listen, if I get tanning Tato, I'm not mad. If I get Channing Tatum Tato, not mad at it. But I think it's gonna be relaxing Tato. And bitch, I need to relax. But to be fair, at least it is my favorite one. So I think I might just keep this one and put one in here and one in the office. I think that's what we're gonna do. It's all right. Listen, Smoko, you fuck with me every time, but like a high school boyfriend, I keep coming back to you. So listen, this is okay. I'm okay with having a duplicate of this. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. All right, listen, we're starting off kind of strong. But I also called it. I said 2 of the boxes felt exactly the same, so your bitch is psychic. Let's move on to the teeny tiny treats. Teeny tiny treats. Okay, so, oh bitch, okay. I need the donut Tato. I need the pancake Tato. Tato. Channing Tatum, pancake Tato, chocolate croissant Tato, cinnamon roll Tato. Those are like my 4 that I'm like, yes. I'll also take flan Tato or fruit sando Tato. Matcha cake, it is cute, but I'm not into matcha. As much as I try to be a matcha girly, I cannot do it, okay? It tastes like dirt to me, I just can't. Although Lady M cakes, if you ever get like a matcha Lady M cake, that is the exception. Everything else could eat my ass. Roll cake Tato, also really cute too, but not as cute as the other one. So 3 boxes, they're also tiny, so who knows what it is, but I think this one's gonna be cinnamon roll. Let's see if I'm right. No, but it's pancakes and I'm okay with that. Look how cute, little tiny pancakes. I love him so much, he's so tiny. Oh, he's so cute. All right, I'm sorry, that wasn't even, I don't even know if that was words, okay? I don't know. Keep drinking, Theresa. I will, thank you. Okay. This one feels really light. I think this one's chocolate croissant. I feel confident. No, but it's fruit sando and I'm okay with it. Oh, look. Oh, I like that. It says, oh, look at the little team. Oh, he's so cute. Look at the little fruit. That is so... That is so cute. I can't even handle you right now, buddy. I can't even handle you. You're so fucking sweet. Oh, I can't handle you. Okay, we have one more left. I really want donut. I want donut or chocolate croissant. Okay, so let's see. I think I'm gonna shoot my shot. It's donut. No, but it's flan, and it's so funny because I should have stuck with my gut because I thought about it in my head. And I was like, it's probably flan, but I didn't say it out loud, so it doesn't count. But look how sweet he is though. Oh, that's so good. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, I need to do this one again because I really need that donut. I need that chocolate croissant. Those are the 2 that I really am like gunning for. Also cinnamon roll. Those are the ones that I'm gunning for. So, oh my God. Okay, these are so cute. You know, they're so adorable. I can't. I just can't. I simply cannot. I should have got 4 of each. Let's do the sleepy one. So this is Smoko Friends Sleeping. Right off the bat, we need Tato and we need Hank Yeti. Those are the ones that speak to me the most. Also Little Bee Dumpling. Those would be amazing. I don't think I have a lot of Midori Daikon. I don't think I have anything from Midori Daikon. Elodie the unicorn. Elodie is cute. Not my favorite little Smoko friend, but like we'll accept her. Then you have Billy Beats. Billy Beats is really cute though too. Watch I get Elodie. Let's get Elodie. They kind of feel the same, they kind of feel different. So let's go with this one. I think this one's gonna be, I don't know, I feel Little Bee Dumpling. I feel it inside. I'm gonna shut up. Bitch, yes! It's not what I thought it was gonna be, but it's the one that I wanted. Okay. First of all, mother reading a book, okay? He's falling asleep to a book. It's called How to Be a Yeti. Do you know like how badly I want to cry right now? Okay, I want to sob. That is the cutest. Oh, and he's like me. He sleeps with his mouth open. Okay, you throw quarters in there. And he has his teethies. Oh my God, I can't. This is, oh, shut up. Hank the Yeti is by far one of the cutest little things I've ever seen. I love him. Okay, I'm gonna shoot my shot and say that this one's Tato. Watch it be Elodie, but I'm gonna say it's Tato. Watch it be Elodie. You know what though? Listen, you know what this means? One's gonna be in here and one's gonna be in the other office, okay? I don't think I could part with them even though they're duplicates. Kind of like this little guy. I don't think I can. It is what it is. It is what it is. Listen, if I wasn't on vacation right now and I wasn't knee deep in this shit, I think I'd feel some type of way, but I'm not though. 2 Yetis is a beautiful problem. That's what I'm saying. This is gonna be Elodie though, because why? God hates me. Although I will laugh if it is a third Yeti. I fucking knew it. This bitch, look at her. She's cute. She is really, honestly, she is really cute. I don't know if I would go for this series again. I would rather do Tato Beach knowing that, fully knowing that I could get the snack time Tato again. This one, I just want Tato Potato, Channing Tatum Tato Potato. But if I don't get him, it's okay. I made peace with this and I accept it. I accept it, it's fine. Okay, so now that we have those out of the way, so far it's hilarious. Could be worse though, could be worse. Could have had 2 melodies. I have 3 Tato cats, they all feel different weights. So finally, no duplicates, okay? Much like my little dessert guys. Here's what I want. I really need that Calico Cat Tato. I need the one coming out of the little garbage can. Obviously, look at me. I'm a garbage person. I have all my little dumpsters behind me over here. I need this one. If I cannot find this one today, that's the one I'm gonna go hunting on Macari for because I need it. I need the ramen one. I need the short hair cat Tato because I like that it's holding a little fishy teaki. And I need that lucky cat one. Those are the 4 that I'm obsessed with. I am totally fine with black cat Tato as well as tabby cat. Those are still cute too, but those are not the ones that I want to pull immediately. I really want the other ones more. This one's heavy and I feel like this is gonna be the ramen, but I really want that garbage can. So let's open the heaviest one because I want to see if my theory is right. I think this one's gonna be ramen. When your bitch is right, your bitch is right, okay? Because this is, honestly, this is like the cutest thing. I love when they make like the Tato ramens. I have a couple of them, but this one I have to say is actually bigger than the other ones. I love that you have a little egg. I love that he has a little fish cake on the top of his head. Oh, he's so cute, and little chopsticks. This one is super cute. I love that. I need that trash can. I need that trash can. Okay, so I think a part of me feels like this is gonna be Tabby Cat Tato. I just feel it in my gut. It's either Tabby Cat Tato or short hair Tato. It's okay, because the black cat one is so cute, and it's a little boba black cat. That one's fucking adorable. That one's so... so happy, little boba. This one is super cute. Listen, I don't feel good about this. I don't think I got the one that I want, but I feel confident enough to say that I definitely didn't get a duplicate. Knock on the table. All right. All right, I think this one, I have a feeling this one is gonna be Lucky Cat, which I'm okay with, but I want that trash can. You little face, bitch. Oh, this is gonna be the best vacation ever. Baby's home. Mama came home. That's me. Pissed off and everything in a trash can. I was short as shit. I was short as shit. Oh, deceased. I can't. I cannot. I simply cannot. Okay, calm down. Okay, I'm gonna finish this and we're gonna rank them, all right? Let's rank them. Okay, so what is my least favorite one? My least favorite one, I'm sorry, bitch, Elodie. She is cute, but I think the other friends are cuter. So I'm gonna say, Elodie, you're last on the list today. Sorry, you do not go to Hollywood. Then I would say, I'm gonna say flan. Flan is really cute, but it's not the one that I wanted. I was hoping for cinnamon roll. I was hoping for chocolate croissant, but instead we got flan, which listen, is still very delicious dessert, but not my favorite dessert. So we're gonna say you're second to last. Then, I guess it would be Fruit Sando. Fruit Sando is really cute, but again, not the one that I wanted. And then I guess I know, I feel like it's such a sham, but I think the other ones are far cuter in the series, but we're gonna go with this tiny little souffle potato guy. I'm putting all of those together. Now this is where shit gets rough, okay? Shit gets interesting because I love them all. But I think ramen Tato, nope, boba. Boba Tato. I love Boba Tato, but I definitely think the ramen one is cuter and not as cute as the goddamn trash can. So this guy would be then next. Still adorable. Love to see it, but we don't want it. Compared to the other ones. Then I guess I would say my ramen Tato, because the ramen Tato is super cute and I really do love how big it is. It's super adorable. I love the detail of this guy, but I think the other ones are cuter. Then I guess I would say this little guy, although he does have a fun crab. I really do love this one. The Tato Beach series is super fucking cute. And I'm gonna try it again because I really, the more looking at the Channing Tato. I kind of want that one the more I look at it. So I think this is the one that we're going to try to complete. So hopefully we could find it out in the wild. But this one's super cute. I love this one. So we're going to say that one. Then my Hank the Yeti. My duplicate boy. He's so cute and he's so sweet and he's so sad. And he's reading a book on how to be a Yeti. And it's, I don't know why it makes me want to sob uncontrollably. And that's just not right. But I'm gonna say that he's number 3. Number 2, this is where it gets really difficult because I love him and I love him, but I think it's this guy, Snack Time Tato. Even though I spiritually relate to it more than you'll ever know, I definitely think the garbage can's cuter. But look how cute and fun he is, and he's so tropical. And I think I need to get the whole series. We need to get the whole series. We're getting the whole series, boys. We have to. I regret nothing. We gotta get the whole series. And then my number 1 is this bitch. And I'm so happy, and it's gonna go in the back of me. In the back, oh God. Not in the back of me, but in the back of me. Big difference, okay? This one is so cute. I love the garbage. I just love how mad he is. He's so cute. I just love it. I absolutely adore it. And this is exactly my style. And I love that. And I'm almost done with my drink. So you know what that means? Time to get another one. But I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have any of these little babies. And if so, do we have the same ones? Did you have different ones? Let me know because I love hearing from you. And of course, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your fucking faces. And I'll see you little garbage cans tomorrow. Happy vacation. Bye. What is this? Wave like a normal person. Okay. Oh, that's too much. All right. Whatever. Bye.